Here you've got the Mastercut BS-1018TH. It's a semi-auto bandsaw and it is a double miter machine. Now I'll take you through a few of the features on the machine, starting off with the controller. You can see that the controller is on a pendant, which is convenient. You can move it in the direction that you want it to be, and also out of the way if you're loading a certain way. This over here, that's your down feed, and you can see the control panel is simply laid out. Now this semi-automatic, you have a hydraulic frame, so you can see that you've got push buttons for up and down, so that will take the frame up and down hydraulically. Now the capacity of this machine, you can do 250 diameter or 250 by 450. Here you've got your blade tensioning device. There you've got your area where you cut and your blade guide arm. Now the blade guide arm has both bearing and carbide inserts over there. You've got your coolant system directly onto the blade, and that over there is your increments of cutting size. Now, being a double miter bandsaw, the vise itself is on a slideway. You can see the machine out slots there, that slides back and forth. So when you are turning the head to cut different angles, you can move that vise out of the way. The vise itself is sacrificial, so when you are cutting and you're cutting into the vise plate, that there you can unbolt and replace. There's your angle scale with all the different increments on. And that over there, that's a slide that supports the cutting head when you're turning it. You have a few different speeds on this machine. So you've got 4 different speeds: 24, 52, 78, and 109. And that's just purely used when you're cutting different types of material. There's your vise. Now that over there is your handle, which moves the rack. So this is called a rack and pull system. That rack over there, this handle here, it just drops into that rack, and then you use the handle to push it and tighten it up to the job. So it is somewhat of a quick system, because you just lift it up, you'll push it forward or back, drop it into the rack, and then tighten it up against the job. Here's your hydraulic cylinder. This over here, that's your adjustment, so you can adjust that for your frame, your up and down position. And there's another switch over there, and you can adjust, that would be for your upstroke. And that's the Mastercut BS-1018TH.